Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many color combination toy vehicles here. All are nice and beautiful color combination. So friends, now I will hand drive all of this toy vehicle with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a cartoony police bike. Wow, I reached my parking place, so I parked here. This cartoony police bike. This is very nice, white, blue and red color combination. And next one is a taxi car. I will park here this taxi car beside this police bike. See this taxi car, this is very nice and beautiful model. Orange paste and white color combination this taxi car. This one is V2 racing car. Oh, I parked here this V2 racing car beside this taxi car. See this racing car, this is very nice and realistic model. This is yellow, blue and white color combination. So friends, already 3 vehicles hand driven and serially parked here. Oh, all are nice and beautiful. And next one is a cartoony car. Wow, I parked here this cartoony car beside this V2 racing car. This is very nice car, red and black color combination. This car is very beautiful. Here is many cartoony sticker. And now I will drive this Deshi vehicle. I parked here this Deshi vehicle auto rickshaw. This is very nice realistic model. See friend, this is yellow, white and black color combination auto rickshaw. See, this is very nice and beautiful model. You see this vehicle in city. This is the last one, is a 6-wheeler fire truck. Wow friends, I also parked here this vehicle beside this auto rickshaw. See friend, this is very nice orange, black and blue color combination fire truck. Is very nice and realistic model. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel. And now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination of vehicles.